Hey, today I'm checking out a program called Vid Chapter. According to AppSumo, this is a program that will generate chapters for your videos. It'll generate tags, generate titles, generate video descriptions, regenerate new content output. I'm not sure what that does, but I guess we'll figure that out. Let's see, you can upload files to generate chapters, titles, tags, and descriptions. So it looks like you can upload your videos directly to the program if you want to, instead of just putting it on YouTube. It looks like you have team collaborations. I guess you can have multiple people working at one place. Looks like it does some sort of AI stuff. And on their site, it says the future video optimization. It says it'll make your videos rank higher. Vid Chapter's AI generates chapters, tags, titles, and descriptions 45 times faster and with 4 times more precision than human efforts. Elevate your videos, enhance SEO, and save precious time and resources. So it looks like it does one of the parts of making videos that suck. Looks like all I have to do is enter the video URL, let AI do its magic, and then post and prosper. All right, so let's see how this thing works. I believe the first thing I need to do is go to a video I've uploaded. Let's see, it's this one, so I'll copy the link, go back to Vid Chapter, go to the dashboard, go to video, and I'll go ahead and add a video. Paste in the URL, so I'll add the video. We've got the option to select our captions. YouTube should have already captioned this, so we'll do auto-generated, and we'll click save. Looks like Vid Chapter is doing its magic, and I assume it's done, so we'll go down to this title section and click generate. See titles being generated in the background, and it looks like we have 5 options. I mean, all these titles are way better than what I came up with. Let's see, if I were looking at YouTube, which title would I pick? And this is a really hard choice. Like, I think for now, since it's a brand new light, probably the hype one is a better title. After the light's been around for a little while, probably the setup, software, and first impressions would be a better title. So we'll go ahead and copy this hype one first. I mean, that's kind of clickbaity, but who knows? And we'll go back to YouTube and we will paste that in. Back to the program. See for the description, do a long description. And we will see what happens. Looks like it's generating right now. That took, 30 seconds or so to come up with. Yeah, let's see what we got. Join me as I unbox, set up, review the newer tube light, find out the light is a game changer. Man, hardly anything's really a game changer other than like drones and editing software and AI software now. Looks like these are basically some tags in the video. See RGB tube light, streaming setup, lighting for video, unboxing, tech review, LED lights. Yeah, those are pretty good tags. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Lame, but probably need to prompt people for that. Oh, did it actually figure out the Amazon link for this thing? Like, whenever I tried looking for this light a few days ago, the Amazon link was down. Let's see if it actually found this. This would be crazy. So it could not find that page. Basically put a made up link in there. But that's pretty crazy that it tried to make a link for it. Oh, it's telling me to paste the link here. I guess it wants me to, I don't know if I have an affiliate thing, put my affiliate link in there. All right, so it gave me some video chapter markers. I'll need more chapter markers than that. There's an option for chapter markers there. Yeah, it says this video is not sponsored, which is true. But we'll go ahead and copy all this and paste it in and then edit it. I don't know why it's putting all these breaks in there. I don't want to do that. So delete that. And we'll copy this the old-fashioned way and see if this works any better. Yeah, that's way better. Since the Amazon link doesn't work right now, we'll go ahead and get the actual newer link. So we'll go ahead and copy this guy and replace the made-up Amazon link with the real one. Update Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook stuff later. So I'll replace these titles later. Sure, we'll keep these hashtags. Oh, this is interesting. For business inquiries, please contact me. So let's just use the info version of Ocean Llama. Next, we have tags. Like, making tags is terrible, so I'm anxious to see what this will do. That took about 15 seconds. Streaming technology, sure. Product review, touchscreen control, magic arm mounting. Yeah, most of these things, yeah, they're okay. Yeah, we'll just use everything. Copy all. And for some reason, YouTube doesn't actually show you tags by default. To get to that, you go down to show more tags. We'll then paste it all in. It's pretty cool that pasted everything right. All right, so back to Vid Chapter. So we're in the chapters section. Let's make a bunch of chapters. This thing was a pretty long video. I will say 18 chapters and generate. I really hate having to scroll through an entire video, try and find the one thing you're looking for. So hopefully these chapters help out a whole lot. And also making chapters is no fun. Wow, at first glance, these chapters seem pretty awesome. There's some continuous looping and update issues with the app. That is a pretty good chapter title. Yeah, it shows you where the touchscreen controls are. I talked about the portability and weight of this. These are really good chapter names. Let's go ahead and copy this. Oh, there's a video chapter affiliate link. I guess I can sign up for that. That's pretty cool. I'll have to look into that. And we'll delete the initial chapters and paste in the new ones. I don't know what I think about these emojis. We'll keep them. It kind of separates the video from everything else. And let's see what the next step is. Thumbnails. This might be kind of cool. Does this actually work? Let's try this out. We'll generate it. Let's do create using AI. I doubt this is going to be good, but I'll probably have to make my own. So we'll use its prompt. Thumbnail from a YouTube video on an RGB tube light. Generate image. And this would be pretty cool if it works better in the future. I can't imagine this working good, but I hate making thumbnails for videos. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. So this is actually a pretty good starting point. I'm going to keep this for right now. I'll remake this thumbnail later, but we'll use this as an inspiration. Oh, we can do a blog. So I've got another blogging program I'm going to try out, but let's see what this comes up with. See, tone and style. Oh, cool. There's a bunch of styles. Let's go for informative and writing style. Anthropological. You can use this for all sorts of different topics, I guess. This is a review. So what is this thing I'm looking at again? Writing style. This is like almost too much for me to choose from right now. Let's go journalistic, maybe? I mean, review would be the most accurate thing, but yeah, we'll go for journalistic right now. Save changes. And let's go ahead and click generate. It was pretty quick. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. Oh, this is pretty neat. This is, man, it says second paragraph in box in this light. Upon receiving the package, the first thing that struck me was the size of the box. It was unexpectedly large. However, the actual product was more reasonably sized despite an already open box, which is a bit concerning. The packaging inside was impressive. This is really cool. I said all those things, but less eloquently than this. I'll go through more of this later. I don't want to bore you all, but this is really cool. Like, video content's going to become so much more valuable now that you can repurpose it for blogs and all sorts of things on websites without really any additional effort. It's like, get as much content as you can when you're in the field, edit together a video, then have AI do all sorts of cool things with it later. I'll do a real comparison with this and versus the Blogify program I got. But for now, we will go ahead and download this. Like, this stuff's kind of like having minor superpowers now. It makes you so much more productive. All right, and we'll go to video scripts. I don't know what this is going to do. I think this is what we just did. This is way more enthusiastic than I am about the light. I mean, light's cool, but I don't talk like this. But I mean, how could the software know that? Oh, this is like a script for me to say to make things more engaging. I mean, maybe this stuff's actually pretty good. I mean, I guess I could re-record an intro or something and use this as a teaser for the main video. I don't know. I'll have to think about this and maybe use it in a future video. That's pretty neat. I'll go ahead and download this just so I've got it if I want it. And what does this chat button do? I guess I can probably chat with the transcript. See, enable chat. Refresh the page. Say, what rating does this light get? It should say 4 out of 5. It's kind of weird that makes me refresh the page. That kind of takes you out of the real-time chat function. The light gets a rating 4 out of 5 stars. Pretty cool. I've seen something similar to this in another program called, what is that program called? Exemplary AI. Pretty neat. I don't think I'll be using that chat function much for this, but man, it's cool they incorporated it. Let's ask us something off the wall. What was the first automobile made? Just interesting to see if it's trained on like all sorts of other data or if it's only pulling from stuff in the video. Okay, so that's neat. It's only pulling stuff from inside the video. AI would probably normally know when the first automobile was made and it says, I don't know. So it looks like it doesn't do hallucinations. Let's go back to posts and let's try a tweet. I mean, I could probably use these for like LinkedIn things also, or maybe like a Facebook post. Go ahead and generate. And I assume this is going to give me like 3 to 5 different options for tweets, but we'll see. Yeah, 5 options. Let's see. New video drop, lame. See, I'm reviewing the newer light with a case that's nicer than expected and an app that's, well, you'll see. Check out the full scoop. That's a pretty good starting title. They say good lighting is key, so I put the newer light to the test in my latest review. Will it light up my life or leave me in the dark? I wonder if they intentionally try to like make these things clever. What I like the most was it's definitely the second one where it says, will it light up my life or leave me in the dark? That's pretty funny. We'll go ahead and download these. I guess we have an option for informative and journalistic. Let's go ahead and see. Let's do funny and humorous. I wonder if I actually make like a joke or something. That'd be crazy. Let's regenerate. Let's see what we come up with. From zero to hero, the newer light review is a roller coaster of emotions. It's like dating. The hardware is hot, but the software's got issues. Let's see, the newer TL120C RGB tube light, where easy setup is a myth and the app is a labyrinth. But hey, the light's great if you have patience of a saint. I mean, that's kind of mean, but yeah, it's funny / humorous. Like, this is gonna put copywriters out of work. This is crazy. Let's go for something just like real weird. Let's go for angry and legal thriller. I don't know what it'll come up with for this. It should be like error does not compute. Refresh the page. From unboxing to courtroom ready setup, the newer TLC is on the stand. Will replace 2 of my lights or be held in contempt. What? It's so ridiculous. Diving into the newer app like a lawyer into evidence files. Will be a smooth trial or case for the jury. Like, maybe this is something that the YouTuber like Legal Eagle would use. Like, I don't know, man. This is not usable for me, but it's still really neat. I mean, I think I've gone through pretty much everything in this. Yeah, I'll go ahead and copy and paste everything in later and upload the video. But I mean, this thing is really cool. I mean, I would guess I'd spend an hour at least going through all this stuff, making these titles and chapter markers and, you know, definitely the blog stuff. I mean, if I included the blog, this would be a 2 or 3 hour project probably. The only thing that it's kind of lacking right now is a thumbnail section, but it actually keeps a thumbnail made for you. That's neat. What does this thing run per month? I find this. All right, so per month, the Pro is $20 a month, Ultra is $50 a month. If this saves me, again, 1 to 3 hours per video, and as companies employing you and they're charging clients, you know, $150 an hour, this thing pays for itself in 1 video a month. I mean, if you're making money for clients, this is almost a no-brainer for you to get, you know, especially if you can repurpose video content into blogs and just, you know, throw that in for the client. That's, you know, I don't know why a client wouldn't use you over someone else if you're just giving them something. I mean, that seems like a pretty good deal. I don't know if like Adobe's going to eventually incorporate this stuff. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's up to you to decide if it's worth the price or not. But if you're making money off video, it's probably worth it. I don't know. Check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. And if I'm using this program's suggestions, I would tell you to smash that like and subscribe button, but you don't need to do that. I will make more of these videos regardless.